Hi guys, right. So today I have brought a Great Western Railway Class 800. Now I've got the full set because underneath is the coach pack as well. So this is the modified version, if you're wondering. So there is an original version basically, but that needed to go back to Hornby to be re-engineered. So I decided I'd pick up the improved version. So it's not any changes or anything from the original, but I think it's just basically different couplings, etc. So I'm gonna get her unboxed and get her on that little bit of track, which is over to your left. Okay, here we go then. So first, I'm going to unbox the two engine parts. So basically, the ones that provide the electricity, and then I'll unbox the coaches, unbox them, which provide then the diesel function if needed. Okay, here we go. Here's the grand reveal. There you go. Here she is. And there you go. This is 800-003 with Queen Elizabeth II and Queen Victoria. Isn't it? Yeah, it's Queen Victoria. There you go. A lot of details gone into it actually. I love how it's in the nice green livery. I just love it, how it looks. A lot of details gone into it, I think. You can put a DCC decoder in it, I believe. So, yeah. So, yeah, nice. Okay, so let's pop her to one side. Just popping her to one side. Let's get the other one out. Okay, here's the second one. Okay, here's the second one. Again, this is nice, same things, but instead it's Queen Victoria and not Queen Elizabeth II. I noticed the pantograph does go up, nevertheless. The pantograph does go up. So if I wanted to operate it in electric mode, you can just rise the pantograph and use it in electric. So yeah, that's just really well. But in my opinion, I think the 800s sound better on diesel, so I'll probably be more likely on diesel. Okay, so that's the dummy and the driving cart, right? If I put them to one side, let's chuck this to one side. Okay, now we're down to the trailer pack. So basically, in these kind of trailers, you have your diesel engine. So if it had to operate on diesel for any reason, for example, if the overhead line wires failed or it was on a non-electrified section, then it'd have to use its diesel engines to basically power the train to London or to Bristol or whatever. So yeah, this is normally the carriages where the diesel engines operate on, but I can't see any of the diesel engines on this, so I don't know if it's Hornby that didn't want to manufacture the diesel engines or what. Okay, so here you are. This is now the coaches. So if I get this one out, we'll take a look at it. Okay, so it's nice looking. I noticed there's no red because there's normally some red under it. No, that's where the diesel engines normally is, but I noticed there's not on this. But you know what? Again, a lot of details really gone into it. I love the details that's gone into it. So you've got the GWR logo. I believe that says Cardiff Central on top up there. But yeah, what the details gone really good into it. Okay, right, let's put that to one side. Let's get the next one out. Okay, so here's the second one. Basically, this is the middle car, alright, because there's GWR on that side and then there's that on the other side. So again, this is the diesel powered one. So you have your diesel engine, I believe, on that side, I think. So yeah, it'd all be marked red where the diesel engine is, and then that operates on diesel when needed. But it normally is switched off when it's on electric, as the electric can sort it out. So Yeah, it's not that bad. It looks pretty good. So yeah, I'm quite impressed with the details as well that's gone into it. I actually noticed you can actually see inside the interior, which looks amazing, I think. Alright, let's put that to one side. Okay, and let's get the final one out, and we'll have a go at coupling it up. And then in the next video, I'll probably try it, test it, give it its like first ever run. Okay, here comes the final one. Okay, so the second one, the final one, half of that there is first class, and then the rest there is just standard. So I'd believe the engine would probably be under the first compartment, and then it's all standard where the electric is. So I think that's probably what it is. But you know what? The interior looks absolutely fantastic, I think. Absolutely fantastic. Just looks really good. Again, a lot of details really gone into it. Okay. Right. Now we've done that, let's move that out the way. Okay, let's move all that out the way as well. Alright, now we're going to set it up onto the track. Okay then, right, now we're going to put the IET on the track, as it's known as the Intercity Express train. So, I'm going to take the first class one, alright, and I'm going to put that onto the track now. So, it just goes on like this, like so. There you go. Ooh. There you go. Easy as pie. Right, going to get the next one. Basically, this is again occupied half first class and then most rest then standard class. So I'm going to pop that on. Come on, in you go. Okay, that's in. Right, let's move it along. Okay, next one is the GWR middle trailer. So basically the GWR logos are on either side. So I'm going to do that one now. That's all coupled in. Next is this one, which is with the GWR logo on the one side. So basically I'm going to couple that into place now. Okay, there you go, that's into place. So I'll keep moving that round again a little bit. And then last up, it's the standard driving trailer, which is a dummy. It's a dummy car because basically it's not powered by it. So I think the one that's powered is the front one with the first class interior one. Okay, so that just goes into place. And then there you go. That is now a 5-car IET, or Intercity Express train. So there you go. So that was my first look and unboxing of the Great Western Railway Class 800 train from Hornby. So I really do hope you've enjoyed this, guys. If you like videos like these in the future, do like, comment and subscribe. And in the next episode we are going to be running it on my layout, giving it its first virgin voyage. So basically that'll do now. So yeah, it's all unboxed, it's all ready to go. So I will be doing my first run with it in the next episode. So until then, I'll see you next time, guys. Take care now. Ta-ra.